I get asked all the time, why move to Veeam Data Cloud? I've been using on-prem backup software for years just fine. Well, let's face it, SaaS is the new data resilient standard. Ditch DIY headaches and say goodbye to managing backup infrastructure and integrating independent storage. No more patching, no more ongoing maintenance. Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365 covers it all. Reliable protection, surgical recovery, built-in security, and unlimited storage with a predictable per-user price. But it's not just the same powerful capabilities with the simplicity of SaaS. No, it's so much more. You get the ability to back up and recover large volumes of Microsoft 365 data at speeds and scale never seen before, with zero throttling to overcome large disaster recovery scenarios. Move from a point product to a platform. Protect other critical SaaS workloads like Entra ID, Salesforce, Azure, and more, all through the same console and more on the way. Get the latest capabilities fast. All new innovations arrive first to Veeam Data Cloud. With the market-leading #1 Microsoft 365 backup solution, the future is bright. Many customers, thousands in fact, have been able to get all of this plus save big on their total cost of ownership simply by bundling it all together with SaaS. Get the power and reliability you expect minus the complexity. The time to change is now.